In this tutorial, we're going to be comparing Bank of America versus Chase business accounts. So let's get started. So Bank of America has two main business accounts, Advantage Safe Business Checking and Advantage Relationship Banking. And we're going to go ahead and look in each of them in detail. Now we're gonna go ahead and look at the fees first. Now, Advantage Safe Business Checking has no monthly fees if you maintain $5,000 minimum balance or process 10,000 in monthly deposits. So the requirements are you keep a $5,000 minimum balance, all right, or you deposit $10,000 every month. So if you fulfill these requirements, you won't have to pay any monthly fees. Otherwise, you'll have to pay a $16 monthly fee. Now we're going to go ahead and look at the second option, which is Advantage Relationship Banking. Now there's a $25 monthly fee unless you maintain a $15,000 minimum balance across linked accounts. So there's a $25 monthly fee, all right? Unless you maintain $15,000. To maintain $15,000. Now we're gonna go ahead and look at Chase, which has three main different accounts: Chase Business Complete Banking, Chase Performance Business Checking, and Chase Platinum Business Checking. Now, for the first type of account, there is a $15 monthly fee unless you maintain a $2,000 minimum balance or you make $2,000 in monthly deposits. So, $15 fee unless maintain or deposit $2,000 in cash. So that's the requirement under which you won't have to pay the monthly fee. The second type of account, Chase Performance Business Checking Account, there's a $30 monthly fee. $30 monthly fee. That's unless you maintain a $35 minimum balance. So if you maintain $35,000 minimum balance, then you won't have to pay any fees, all right? Now let's look at the third type of account, Chase Platinum Business Checking. And now this has the most fees, $95 monthly fee, all right? Because as you can see by the name, it's Platinum monthly fee, unless you maintain $100,000, and that's a big amount, minimum balance. So this is the requirement for Chase. Now we're going to go ahead and look at the interest rates. Now this is a good point for both of them as they both have no interest. So I'm just going to do this like that. So you can see that this is all 1 point. Now there are no interest on any of them. So no interest. That's a very positive. That's not positive because you won't earn anything. Now, let's look at the transactions. Now, in Bank of America, let's say if you are using the first type of account, Advantage Save Business, you'll get 150 free monthly transactions. So that's for the first type of account, and this is the second type of account. So now, if you're using the first type of account, you will get 150 free transactions, and then you will have to pay you'll have to pay $0.1 per transactions. Then you have to pay $0.1 per transaction, all right? Now let's say you're using the second type of account, then you'll have unlimited transactions, all right? Unlimited transactions, all right? Now we're gonna go ahead and look at the other side. So let's say this is number one, number two, and number three. Now in this case, the first one, there is a 200 free monthly transactions for the first one. 200 free transactions. I'm just going to say transact. And after that, you'll have to pay $0.25 per transaction. $0.25. Now, for the second account, there are 300 free transactions. All right. And then you will have to pay 0.25. So that's the same. That's the same, but you get more free transactions. And for the third account, you have 500 free transactions. All right. And then you're gonna pay 2.0.25 dollars. So the amount for getting extra transaction is the same. Now there is a minimum deposit that you need to make the account, and the minimum deposit to open Bank of America business account is $100, and the same goes for Chase. $100 is the minimum. Now we're gonna go ahead and look at some other which doesn't require any statistical data. And ATM fees. Now, Bank of America has no ATM fees within their network, but they charge fee for using any out of network ATMs. Chase, on the other hand, also has no ATM fees within their network, but they charge fee for using out of network ATMs. Now, let's talk about branch access. Bank of America has extensive network of physical branches nationwide, while Chase also has large network of physical branches nationwide, but not as extensive as Bank of America. Now, online and mobile banking. Bank of America is user-friendly online and mobile banking platform with features like check deposits, bill pay, and Zelle transfers. Now, Chase is also user-friendly online and mobile banking platform with features like check deposits, bill pay, Zelle transfer, and a variety of business management tools. Now, some other features are Bank of America offers business credit cards, loans, lines of credit, and merchant services, while Chase also offers business credit cards, loans, lines of credit, merchant services, and a wider range of international banking service. Now, let's go ahead and have a quick summary. Now, choose Bank of America if you value extensive branch access, lower monthly fees with achievable minimum balance, and a good selection of additional business banking products and services. Now choose Chase if you need more free monthly transactions, prefer a wider range of online and mobile banking features, or do frequent international businesses. Ultimately, the best business bank for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider which factors are most important to you and compare the specific features offered by each bank before making a decision. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope this